Everybody, welcome back to the channel. This morning, nice brisk day outside, out here in Blissfield, Michigan. I didn't bore you guys with the install, but I got the 283 aluminum radiator from Allied Works. Nice piece. But anyway, this is what we got going on here. Got a few more things buttoned up. Fuel line, I want to do the AN. I'm blocking these off till I can get the heater core put on. Yo, Chevy Nova. 4-door. That's a little tight, but it still moves. And then strap it down. I got new cables coming. The thing that I'm having kind of a question about is where am I going to run my transmission vacuum? I got a couple ports. I believe somebody said here, under here. I know the distributor goes underneath. But anyway, guys, just a little short video. Hopefully it'll be running and driving by the weekend for a couple car shows coming up. Got some vacuum lines running here. I just guess it's called a charcoal canister. Running here. This here, I think they're saying it's going to the fuel tank. And then we've got another line here. I think they're saying that goes to the carburetor. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Where this stuff should be going. Got MSD distributor back there I picked up. Still got to do the headers. Everything underneath. Headers, starter, transmission lines, and drive shaft. Everything else pretty much going together. Lines for the power steering bolted right up. Also, this 283, if you guys can, what oil dipstick do you guys recommend for this? Cheapo Amazon throttle bracket. This is actually for a EFI, not a carburetor, so I had to do a little bit of finagling, put some spacers in there, but it all come together. It's just going to be a cruiser, maybe a 300 horsepower, whole 300 horsepower. This I can either put the cap back on, or I can bolt it to. So it's pretty much flat, so that should be able to bolt right up to it. It does have to be lowered. I don't know how much more, but not too bad. But anyway, it's a little short video, guys. Like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think. Still got the manual master cylinder. I was surprised at somebody did all the new lines, and when I looked underneath the car, still has the drum brakes on the front, and it seems like all the hardware is new on the the cylinders, the wheel cylinders. So I'm taking it as that's all new as well. And I did pick up some new rims for it. These are 235/60s. Over here are 255/60. They're saying they should go on the back. Alright everybody, just a short video of the progress. Didn't bore you guys with the install. 283 camel hump heads. This is a 600 carburetor. It may be too small, so I may have to jet it up. Turbo 350, stock converter, stock rear end. I would like to just do a posi on it, as well as just little odds and ends stuff. We'll take a little gander inside. Actually, not too bad inside. As well as, I wouldn't say new, but it'll be a different windshield. So I still have to figure out something to do with the radiator radio here. Got some old school gauges. Actually not too bad. Alright everybody, like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you guys think. Any tips you have on the vacuum lines. Trying to figure out where to run to the transmission. I still have this port open, and I believe the guy before him, put the vacuum for the transmission right there. They're saying go on the side of the carburetor. I don't know. So again, I'll get it out and clean it up a little bit, power wash it. Should have did all that before. Oh yeah, I did find the other eyebrow. Here it is right here. And I did find a new different eyebrow for it, so that'll complete the chrome front end part. Not really chrome, but that'll look a lot better. Put that on there. I may have to go a different route on this. I'll see how far that hits the hood. I know I gotta drop it down, but I do have the room to bolt it up. Alright everybody, the progress, engine in. Just gotta go underneath and do the rest of it. Headers and exhaust, spark plug. Oh yeah, I'm LS, so gotta figure out a timing light and figure out how to time it now. Alright everybody, thank you very much. Again, like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think on this deal. Good, bad. Again, Alloy Works radiators. Electric fan. Doesn't look too bad here. Here we go. All right, everybody.